you ever been to an environment that is just totally foreign to you and haven't really known what to expect and didn't recognize the sort of trees and plants and animals that are around? So I'm walking in the Joshua Tree National Park in California. It's very fascinating. So it's surrounded by sort of bouldery kind of hills, and then on the flats in the valley there's all of these Joshua trees, which are, I don't know what they are, they're kind of like palmy tree sort of things with spiky tops. But what's interesting is there's such a diverse, unique range of plant life in here, and I haven't seen it anywhere else. And yet amongst that there's also some plants that are very recognizable, that are everywhere. And my daughter asked me, why are these plants everywhere? She was pointing at these little yellow flowers that we even have at home in Australia. And she said, why are they everywhere? And I was thinking about it, and I think the most robust plants and animals are the ones that live in the broadest range of environments, right? So, if the plant was required a very specific range of environmental conditions, it's only going to live in a very narrow range of areas. And same with animals. But some plants, like, I don't know if you can see, there's yellow flowers down there, but they survive everywhere, all over the place, all over the world. And got me thinking about trading as well. And just like in trading, a robust trading system that works across a wide range of market conditions is really what you want. You don't want a very highly specialized system, because when you've got that highly specialized system, it works when it's in tune with the market, but then it loses a ton of money when it's not in tune with the market. And so when you're thinking about trading system design, you want to be like the plants that are everywhere, like the little yellow flowers and the weeds that grow all over the world. You want your system to be like that. You don't want your system to be like, the strange, unique trees that only seem to grow in one part of the world. So robust, solid trading systems that work across a wide range of conditions, that's the key to profiting in all different market environments. So again, my name's Adrian Reed. I'm in the Joshua Tree National Park on world tour with my family, and this is Enlightened Stock Trading. See you in the next video. Bye for now.